What is that? That
It's
is
just Dubai chocolate, but it's not from
Not-
Fix.
okay. That
Because Fix is too.
Fix didn't have it here, so. Ow.
so it's out of stock. So we have this. What's
It's,
this?
I don't know how to pronounce.
The Lush.
That's
Oh.
cool.
So that's it. I'll try to
Break it in half.
and show what's
Ooh.
inside. I can't see. It's oh, taste it. Taste it. Is that?
It's very crunchy.
Yummy?
Yeah, I would get it again.
I mean, usually chocolate bars are this big, around like what, 10, 15,
And this is how much?
20 bucks,
And the regular Fix is how much?
70.
Actually, we have seen one.